Hello traders, I'm back here with my best analysis and the best trade of the day. Today is the 5th of February, Blessing Friday 2021. Today we had NFP news and we banked beautiful pips today. Let's dig into the system and let me share with you today's interesting trade analysis and the pips made. Alright, so just to recap quickly guys, these are the intraday analysis alongside with the 4-hour analysis with the live audio commentary support. And I use this platform for the live trading alongside with my other traders. And if you would like to know how I use this platform to trade live as well as providing live intraday analysis, please watch that video. Link is given in the video description. As always, I analyze market twice a day, just before London Open 7:30 GMT London time, and one at the New York session at 2 p.m. just before opening bell. As you can see today, we had amazing analysis. You can see all of them, most of them is considered banking pips. We had amazing volatility, and based on the analysis, all of my traders banked beautiful pips. As you can see, 146 pips, and you can see this is the breakdown all of the trades, and all these trades are 100% based on the analysis which we broadcast instantly live through intraday analysis. All right, so let me share with you a couple of trades and then I'll show you the best analysis. The best trade we had today was, I think, Euro USD and pound dollar. We were bullish on that. As you can see here, pound dollar, that is the 37 pips twice, and you can see this was the entry on the pullback. As you can see, the price nicely hit to the green pip channel and banked beautiful pips. That was the analysis we broadcasted. Let me share with you guys. Yeah, that's the analysis. You can see in the morning, because we were watching in 4-hour. Let me share with you guys the 4-hour. You can see the price was at this level, just cross above, and we mentioned to trader if the price gonna stay, because you can see this was the breakout is performed. As soon as the price reversed, we mentioned if the price gonna stay above that previous high, then possibility of continuity of long, and that's what we did analysis. And you can see here, this is let me share with you the whole journey of the pound dollar, that you will understand what I'm talking about. Okay, so first in the morning, if you look at, let me make it this way so you understand. Okay, I'm going to explain to you the whole journey today. Okay, so you can see here, first of all, this is the analysis. As you can see, 736, which we explained based on the 4-hour. Momentum was bullish. We explained to look for the breakout. That's we explained. Look for breakout if the price is going to break recent high and recent low, which price nicely broken, because based on the momentum, we were expecting a pull breakout long trade, which price nicely behaved it. You can see we had a breakout, bank beautiful pip, price nicely hit to the blue pip channel. Then afterwards, we had another pullback, as always mentioned to traders after the breakout pullback, beautiful bank profit. And then at the New York session, we had another analysis. So we explained to all the scenarios and then wait for the price to behave according to analysis. And if there's an opportunity, we announced that through live audio commentary. And then what happened after that? You can see the price nicely developed double top, double bottom, and reverse, and you can see beautiful pips. So you can see that as the price progress, we keep an eye all the patterns, all the opportunities which we broadcast instantly in real time. That's the key point. As you can see here, based on that in first trade, and we explained that the price momentum is bullish, price might gonna continue. You can see beautiful 37 pips twice. Then we had another beautiful pips on 27 pips on Euro USD. You can see here, this was the counter. And why we looked to explain to look for counter, let me share with you the 4-hour charts. You can see here, if you look at the 4-hour chart, once the price develop, you can see here, if the price developed double bottom at the resistance level and bullish engulfing candle, again it's a pure price action. And then we explain to trader, if this is the analysis we did, let me explain to you again. That's the first analysis, guys. Let me explain to you. This is the first analysis. You can see here in this analysis, I have explained in more detail. You can see 735. I explained to trader the first priority would be the pullback based on the momentum, but If you look at, I've also explained the divergence. The price has developed divergence at the major support level, and the price developed double bottom in 4 hour, which I just showed you. And if the price is going to break this trend resistance, and after the breakout, if the price is going to confirm by retesting the previous high, then we should be taking a long trade. What happened after that? You can see here, price nicely. Look at here. This is what I'm talking here. So this is what I'm talking. Price broken, and this is a previous high. You can see here at the bottom diversion, which we explained in analysis. Take a long trade, and then we announced to trader to keep taking a long trade on pullbacks. You can see 1, 2 after that. So once we bank some profit, then the New York session, as always, I do live analysis. Then I did another analysis to look for the pullback if the price is going to respect the support level. And you can see the price nicely respected, developed a double bottom again at the support level, and beautiful pullback long trade. As you can see here, price retested this level twice. You can see here one retest and the second retest, which we explained to traders, and then long book, first profit, first fib channel, second profit, and the final target, which price nicely hit. As you can see here, traders made up 27 pips on this one, on this pullback, as explained, exactly as explained in the analysis, and price nicely hit to the final target, 27 pips. Beautiful pips. You can see all these trades are 100% based on the analysis. So you can see beautiful pair. We had it pound, dollar, and euro USD, but let me share with you most of the analysis. But we had challenges in the morning. You can see here, bank few pips and lose 3 times on dollar CAD, which is, again, I'm going to explain to you. In the morning we had the short trade, bank beautiful pips. After that pullback, he took a pullback again, the price reversed, and we closed it. So when price doesn't go again according to the trade, we just get out exactly quickly. So, and cutting the losing trade quickly and let the winning run. And that's what exactly you can see later on. We managed to bank beautiful pips, and we keep taking pullbacks. As I mentioned, you can see another pullback alongside the keeping the long one. We have another pullback again. We already hold that trade, and I'm taking another pullback. So we enjoyed today, as you can see, 146 pips. Beautiful. All right, so let me share with you quickly a couple of more analyses. Dollar CAD. This was the analysis at the New York session, which we explain in more details. So this is not about just explaining it, but keep an eye on those analyses and providing live updates. That's the key important thing. You can see beautiful. We announced all these pullback, beautiful short trades. Then we had a dollar Swiss franc. We had a beautiful trade, and that's what we explained to traders. You can see at the New York session analysis, after the NFP news release, we mentioned, we said, okay, possibility price might going to come back. Then we explain the reason we have given here. We explain to traders, like here, guys, you can see head and shoulder is developed. The safest way to look for if the price is going to break the previous high, or possibility news reaction could go break this level. So that's what we mentioned here. You can see here, that's the level we mentioned. And once the price was about to break, that's what we explained throughout the live audio commentary, that opportunity is performing it. So that's why one breakout, second and third pullback. Beautiful short trade on dollar Swiss franc. Okay, so euro USD, pretty straightforward, just mentioned you guys. And Kiwi dollar, we had interesting moves. You can see pretty straightforward, because we're watching in 4 hour. We explained to trader if the price, because momentum was developed bullish. So beautiful breakout long trade. We had another one, Aussie dollar, pretty straightforward. You can see amazing. In the morning we had this breakout. After that we had another pullback. We have another beautiful pullback. Let me share with you the Aussie dollar, the whole journey, which is a pretty straightforward. You can see we have this one analysis we did. Then after that, once we make the profit, once we made a profit, you can see pullback, breakout, and pullback. And then we did another analysis at the New York session look for another pullback, and you can see we have another beautiful pullback. As you can see, the price nicely hit to the profit target. Beautiful long trade on Aussie dollar today. Euro yen, pretty straightforward. We had a beautiful breakout, consolidation breakout, and you can see price nicely broken. After the breakout, beautiful pullback, long trade on euro yen. All right, guys, you can see all of those analysis, and you can see all of my live analysis recording in the recording section. As you can see, we have more than 2 years of live recording, live analysis recording twice a day, every single day, guys. Every 5 days, by the way. Okay, so we also have a weekly training for all the members. Every Sunday evening, we analyze the market for the following week and the pinpoint and find the opportunity. All right, guys, so I hope you enjoy all this analysis. And if you would like to see all that analysis in the real time, alongside with the live audio commentary support, even if you don't have Forex trading experience, don't worry, we also provide full Forex coaching and training. Or even if you are struggling it, this is a platform where you can see all these live analysis in real time, opportunities to discuss your trades with the analyst in real time live. Or even if you are experienced trader, I'm pretty sure you're gonna love to bank all that pips every single day alongside with other traders. So most welcome, guys. Join my fast growing trader community. Once again, thank you for watching this video. Have a nice weekend and wish you all the best, guys, and I'll see you on Monday with another analysis. All the best.